Hello, welcome back to the Mad Dog and Sloan Show. Today we are making mosaic sidewalk chalk art. You will need blue painter's tape and 4 to 8 pieces of chalk. Now let's get started. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna need a little bit of help from my dad, so he's gonna help me. A bunch of straight lines and everywhere. Wow. We're almost done, just 2 more left. And I bet it's gonna be so cool. We only have 7 more left. This is a pretty fun activity. So hot outside. And we are done! Yes! Look at my hands and face. Now it's time to take the tape. You guys, this is the end of the Mad Dog and Sloan Show. I hope you enjoyed. This is so fun! I mean, I didn't expect it to look so good. Yeah. This is the coolest thing ever. Oh, and you guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and I don't know what the last thing is, you guys.